Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Draw.io to create UML diagrams step by step, even if you're a beginner. First, you can either download Draw.io or use it online. For this tutorial, we'll use the online version because it's faster and easier. Once you open it, you'll choose where to save your file. You can select your device, Google Drive, or other options. I'll choose my device. Now let's name our project. I'll call mine YouTube System. Now we're inside the editor. On the left side, you'll find all the shapes. Scroll down to the UML section. That's what we need. Let's start with a simple example. I'll drag an actor onto the canvas. This represents a user. Now I'll add two use cases, watch video and subscribe. To connect them, just use a line. And that's it. You've created your first UML diagram. Now let's customize it. You can click any element and change the color, border, and text style from the top menu. You can also resize and move everything to keep your diagram clean and organized. If you need more advanced diagrams like class diagrams, flowcharts, or tables, you'll find them on the left panel. Finally, go to File, then Save As, and export your diagram as a PNG PDF or save it to the cloud. And that's it for this tutorial. If you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.